Did you know that diesel generators are among the most efficient power solutions available? Diesel fuel is more energy-dense than gasoline. It provides more power per liter, making it the preferred choice for heavy-duty power generation. Under full load, diesel generators can operate at over 90% efficiency, converting chemical energy into reliable electrical power. For unmatched performance and efficiency, diesel generators keep the power on when it matters most. Visit us at masterpower.ca to learn more. Master Power, where reliability meets power.